try again?
You
You gonna try again, Ellen?
You want to do it your turn? Can I help you get out? Or are you going to get out right here? You can try it.
What's that?
Maybe get out.
On the ledge.
Not yet. Here
Okay. We'll have a turn for you. You can go over there.
Okay, Ellen, I'm videoing you. Make
we go.
it count.
Ellen, see.
Make it count. Oh, so
The
close.
throw was too low.
Great try.
All right, you want to try it? Here you go. Okay, stand to the side. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, jump!
You got it.
Good job, boy.
Try.
You try again?
Here, I have an idea. I'm going to hit the ball over your head when I'm in the air. How about that?
All right, well, that sounds very specific.
There's no way we can do this.
Go, help me get
I
out.
got you.
Okay. Are you okay, boys?
And
1, 2, 3.
What?
all right.
Are you going to video it?
I'm videoing you right now, sweetie.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
All right.
all right.
Just
nice
like you
one.
wanted.
I
You hit
got
right
it.
in the head.
A nice one.
Mama, can you get that car?
Good job, Ellen.
What's my car?
You want to try too? Okay. Here we go.
Daddy?
Yeah. No, I want to throw it. Someone made jump.
All right, Hugo's getting ready to jump. You want to try to throw it? Okay.
That's a big throw.
You can throw it, and if it needs help, I'll help it.
All right, guys. Go ahead.
Go,
Okay?
Dave.
Throw it, Dave, and then Hugo will jump.
Go, Hugo. Can you jump on
Oh,
it? Good one.
that's
Hugo.
making lemonade out of lemons. Good job, Boo Boo.
I want to do it.
So you can't jump from where the step is.
Good one, boy.
No, Dave. I know.
Please
That
be
was
careful
very
up there.
disappointing, wasn't it?
Okay. Let's try that again, Dada.
Yeah, you can try it again.
I got to cuddle you up now.
You ready?
I'm gonna hit the ball to you. Mama, David, I'm gonna hit the ball to you.
All right, here it comes.
All right.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right.
Hooray.
Whoa.
Whoa,
Look where the
it's
ball
us.
is.
All right.
Oh, we need to throw it down to Hugo. Ready?
You throw it?
You throw it to me. I'm going to throw it along.
All right.
throw.
All right. Oh, that's okay.
Good.
Okay. All right, Marty.
Ready, Hugo?
Jump, Hugo.
1, 2, 3.
A good one, Hugo. That was a good one.
Hooray.
Throw was a little bit offline.